OEDIV is a 30-year-old company that arose from the Dr. Oetker IT, and we focus on hosting managed services for our customers. For example, web services, Kubernetes, and in general platform servers where customers host all kinds of applications. My name is Martin. I work for OEDIV since 2019 as a Linux systems engineer and lead the Linux team for about 1 year now. We are responsible for managing the entire system lifecycle of about 4,500 Linux systems through highly automated and standardized processes. We specialize in enterprise-grade Linux platforms to deliver stable, scalable, and future-ready solutions.
Hi, I'm Tom.
Hi, I'm Michel.
We work as third-level Linux systems engineers, focusing on automation. We also handle general Linux system administration, from everyday operations such as customer tickets to the development of new features and products.
Helping keep our infrastructure reliable, efficient and future-ready. In the past, we have observed that some enterprise Linux distributions no longer met certain customers' requirements in terms of package freshness. Vendors often focus on maintaining a stable, certified set of packages, which do not always reflect the latest available versions. Don't get me wrong, this approach is valuable and necessary for customers who rely on strict vendor certifications. However, it can also slow down those who depend on more up-to-date software. I recall a case where a vendor-provided ProFTPD package was outdated and lacked features required for a specific customer scenario. An update was not possible, as no newer version had been released by the vendor. While it would have been technically possible to install a newer version manually, doing so would have been unsupported by the vendor. For this reason, we had to migrate the system to Ubuntu in order to meet the customer's requirements.
Beyond our managed services, OEDIV takes responsibility for IT environments that are not yet standardized according to OEDIV best practices. We work closely with our customers to analyze existing systems and transform them step by step into secure, efficient OEDIV standard. By managing and operating these systems end-to-end, we take the burden of IT operations off our customers' shoulders, allowing them to fully focus on what matters most, their core processes and business goals. In the past, we had 3 different options. First, open support tickets and hope that the required package update will be prioritized. Second, integrate packages from third-party sources and risk losing vendor support. Third, upgrade the operating system to the next major release, which was sometimes not feasible due to incompatibility with customer applications. In the past, support for individual applications was either provided internally or sourced from third-party providers. The main disadvantage was the considerable administrative overhead involving in managing multiple vendors, as well as the significant amount of time we had to spend on operations and troubleshooting ourselves. As mentioned earlier, we work with customers who, for various reasons, depend on keeping their package versions consistently up to date. To achieve this, the use of open source technologies and sources is unavoidable. While enterprise distributions may remain on the same package versions for months, open source sources often deliver 2, 3, or even 4 new releases in the same period. OEDIV became aware of Ubuntu when we began searching for a modern operating system that consistently remains up to date. In a non-SAP context, we require an operating system that truly meets customer expectations, particularly regarding software freshness and ongoing innovation.
For customers with particularly high security and innovation requirements, we provide a standardized platform built on Ubuntu and tightly integrated into OEDIV's highly automated lifecycle and patch management processes. By using Ubuntu as an open source foundation, we are able to adopt new technologies and security enhancements early, while ensuring stability through controlled, automated updates on consistent operational standards. In addition, open source technologies provide more flexible solutions while offering full transparency into the code, enabling us to audit, debug, and customize it to meet specific needs. They are backed by vibrant communities that accelerate problem solving and drive innovation through collaboration. The approach also ensures vendor independence and giving us the freedom to adapt solutions without being constrained by a single provider's roadmap. The upgrade path is also much easier on Ubuntu. We save 70 or 80% of time compared to other systems. We have 3-hour downtime contracts, but with Ubuntu, you can migrate 2,000 systems in as little as 45 minutes. that's just not possible on other distros.
With Canonical providing support for the Ubuntu Universe repository, we are now able to escalate application-related issues directly to Canonical and benefit from their expertise. This removes the need for third-party support and streamlines our processes, as there is now only one point of contact for our Ubuntu systems.
This empowers us to fully focus on our core strengths, automation and orchestration, while offloading application support when issues arise. The result is a streamlined process, faster innovation and greater freedom to drive progress.
The support and coverage for CVEs go beyond my expectations. We used to have lots of CVEs patches in previous Ubuntu versions. Because of Canonical's intensive backporting, we were able to patch it all. It's a game changer to be able to offer this to our customers. While we wait for a patch on other distros, Ubuntu already has it. We can react to vulnerabilities immediately. What really stands out is the incredible quality of the support package. When you work with other enterprise distros, you don't feel like you take priority. With Ubuntu Pro, you don't just get fast updates, you also get deep technical answers from real humans about the things that are keeping your developers up at night. Ubuntu really does feel like Linux for human beings.
In addition, we have expanded the OEDIV managed portfolio to include the supported packages and applications from the Ubuntu Universe repository, like many kinds of databases. This enables us to deliver customer-specific requirements in an even more professional and secure manner. At the same time, the increased flexibility allows us to further accelerate internal development and provide our customers with more effective support in addressing their challenges.